Hi everyone, welcome to Immigration News by Ting Law. I'm your host, John Ting. We represent immigrant clients in Houston, Texas, all 50 states, and represent clients across the world, helping them gain legal status to live and work in America legally. Now, we want to find a path for you. Now, today's episode is about an interview during COVID-19, during the pandemic, okay? If you have an attorney and they're not able to appear in person, the interview notice actually allows the attorney to appear by phone. Now, fortunately, we've been able to do that successfully. Number one, what we do is we provide a letter. Okay, we prepare a letter that we email to our clients so that they present that to the officer. This letter states that what it states in the interview notice. Okay, because of the pandemic, USCIS is allowing us to appear by phone. Not every officer knows this, okay? Things change all the time, and officers are reviewing cases. So that's why we write it in a letter, and we're very adamant to the client that the client needs to be adamant when they're sharing this letter to the officer, okay? And so if you don't have a lawyer, we're happy to take a look at your case, especially with the limited time from the time that you receive the interview notice until the actual interview. There's probably very limited time during this COVID situation because they're rescheduling cases as soon as possible. So you may only have 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're considering to have a lawyer available at least by phone, let us know. Our contact information is below. Schedule an appointment. We're happy to review your case to see if you really need one at all. We're not the type of attorneys that would say, hey, you need to have one absolutely. We really want to empower our clients. That's our part of our mission. To make sure that they have all the information they need. We don't want the client to think they're dependent on us for the decision. Our position is that we want to guide you to the conclusion of the case, okay, to a successful outcome. But of course, generally speaking, we would like to be at the interview or appear by phone if we can. But that's extra costs. So we want to help you where we can. And also at the interview, pretend this is the desk. Imagine that this is the desk by the USCIS officer. There are panels in front of you, okay? So also you'll have to wear a mask. Isn't that funny? USCIS is requiring you to wear a mask, but the President of the United States is not requiring anyone or not emphasizing that someone should wear a mask. That's a bit interesting. So anyway, the tangent aside, I want to make sure that U.S. citizens are registered to vote and that they're going to vote at the November election. Okay, the presidential election is very important. Hey, even if you're a Republican, whether you're Democrat or Republican, please go vote. Exercise your right. If you're not a U.S. citizen, do not register to vote or even vote at all. It is a criminal penalty, so please do not do that. Hi, friends. We'll have a future episode about how to prepare for an interview, okay? It'll be here in one of these cards, or if you can't find it there, look at our video section, and you'll be able to find it there. Friends, if you got value out of today's episode, if you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below or our picture right here, okay? Smash the like button. It really helps us. And also, if you've gone through a situation like this, or you just recently received the interview, or you received the decision already, and you've had some difficulty, or you just want to share your experience, please do that. Leave it down in the comments below. We want to hear from you. And until the next episode, we'll see you soon.